video is for you. Get in here, let's make synthetic kinky to look like Afro bob human hair kinky. Guys, so today we will be using the expression kinky to achieve this look. I think this is one of the best, okay, let me not say one of the best color, the best kinky, synthetic kinky out there that can give you that human hair look using the hot water method. I've checked or used other shades or colors of expression kinky and they never gave me a soft texture as this color 2 does. So I'm dipping it inside the hot water right now, and in this particular tutorial I really want to have the tips coily, so I'm not going to be dipping some part of the tips inside hot water because I want those folds on the tips. So you can see that I've dipped one end to the fullest and the other end is remaining some parts that are still folded. That's because I want to use those ones at the tips of my twist to have some curls. So guys, some of you have asked if you can add conditioner to the water. Yes, you can add. I do apply my conditioner after dipping them inside the hot water. So if you wish to add yours to the water, you can do so as well. So guys, after everything, this is what we have. I'm still dipping the rest. So guys, I lost the footage of the ones I made at the back. So this is where we are now. And I've just shown you that those tips that I was able to make with those ends I refused to put inside the hot water.